इतने मंथ से वी वर प्लानिंग। I'm Surbhi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. आज बहुत exciting day है and I have a very exciting day planned because it's my little sister's birthday.
Hi guys.
Please comment में सब happy birthday wish करेंगे. And so what's the plan for today?
Abhi we'll get ready and then we are going to this really exciting place जहाँ हम इतने टाइम से जाने का सोच रहे हैं।
हाँ, हम इतने मंथ से we were planning and it's I mean if you're an art lover and if you love all things art and food, this is the place you want to head to. And yeah, we're gonna get ready now and we'll take you to this place. It's the perfect, I mean ये ऐसी जगह है जो आपको अगर आप दिल्ली में हो आपको definitely जाना चाहिए. Now we're gonna get ready
And you're gonna watch us.
Every time I look into the mirror, I say thank you, God. You did a damn good job. Giving me a round of applause. And all the boys go, thank you, God. You did a damn good job.
and we're finally ready. Outfit details: my sister's dress is from Posh Affair, my top is from Veramoda, and my pants are from Gap. Do you like our OOTDs? Let us know in the comments. अब जल्दी से चलते हैं and let's show you the most awaited place. After a 45-minute cab ride, we reached Dhanmil Complex. मैं यहाँ first time आ रही हूँ and it actually looks quite fancy. अगर आप मेट्रो से जा रहे हो, आपको छतरपुर मेट्रो स्टेशन सबसे पास पड़ेगा. When you'll enter Dhanmil Complex, you have to take the first ride to reach the Palette Cafe, and here we are. Let's quickly look at the menu and order something because बहुत भूख लगी है. By the way, साथ में इन्होंने एक छोटा सा ऐसी game slash coloring sheet दी थी which you can use in the time your food comes. When you reach the cafe, you'll see a lot of displays there. वहाँ पे empty canvases, empty paintings. So basically, you can either take a blank canvas or you can take something that has something stenciled out. They have an inside sitting area as well. This is what it looks like. But यहाँ पर एक private event था, so we were not allowed to sit inside. But here also you can see a lot of painting displays. They have a live musician as well. They provide you with these basic painting colors, a glass, some brushes. These are the painting stencil options that you can choose from in case you're not able to decide what you want to draw. Otherwise, blank canvas pe you just have to spill your thoughts. The interior is nice, warm, very artsy. I think it's a nice place you want to come for like a relaxing session. And that was a little cafe tour. There are not a lot of seatings and this was it. Now let's get back to our table. Food is here. Time for some aesthetic shots. Honestly, the food did not taste great. Not even the drinks. I ordered a strawberry love lemonade. Didn't like it. My sister ordered a classic lemonade. इतना अच्छा नहीं था, so we resorted back to our OG Coca-Cola. The French fries were good. We repeated that, and the mixed sauce pasta was a little bit too bland. So not the biggest fan of it, but of course we were here for the experience. We're done with eating. We were very hungry, and now we're gonna get started with painting the canvas. मेरी बहन भूल गई थी कि पेंटिंग के लिए ब्रशेस मिलेंगे, बाल यूज नहीं करने. She's got paint in her hair. पेट पूजा करने के बाद टाइम था अपने अंदर के सोए हुए आर्टिस्ट को वापस जगाना. तो हम दोनों ने Pinterest से एक फ्लोरल वास वाली रेफरेंस इमेज निकाली और पेंट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक मैंने इतने टाइम बाद एक कलर्ड पेंसिल कलर्स पकड़े थे, तो I तो literally went back to my school art classes. मुझे पहले drawing बहुत पसंद थी, but this one is going to be a challenge. But Honey, like my sister, is very very good. She is very artsy, very creative. But we are here going to enjoy the process. कितने सालों बाद इरेजर यूज कर रहे हैं?
ये तुमने करा होगा, लेकिन मैं तो पढ़ी नहीं.
मेरा पॉट थोड़ा सा सफा है. You know, the whole idea behind places like these is that you're able to take out some time from your busy schedule for fun activities like this जो आपके mind को बहुत relax feel कराती है. And that is exactly what our thought was behind coming to this cafe. My sister and I wanted to catch up on so many things, catch up on life. By the way, मैंने अभी notice किया मेरी टॉप के कलर्स और प्लेट पे जो भी कलर्स हैं वो काफ़ी सिमिलर हैं। तो बस बातें बातें करते हुए हमने दोनों ने Pinterest से एक एक रेफरेंस निकाला हुआ था दैट वी वांटेड टू पुट आउट ऑन द कैनवस एंड हम शुरू हो गए अपनी ड्राइंग करना। एक छोटा सा सजेशन देती हूँ, आप जो भी खाना वाना ऑर्डर करोगे ना वो आप पहले ही खा लेना एंड देन स्टार्ट विद द पेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स जब आप पेंट करना स्टार्ट करते हो ना यू गेट सो एनग्रोस्ड एंड सो बिजी इन दैट स्केच, इन दैट ड्राइंग की बीच में आपको याद ही नहीं रहता कि खाना खाना, और आपका खाना रखे रखे ठंडा ही हो जाता है। इफ यू हैव समथिंग टू सिप ऑन ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन डू दैट, बट खाना खाते हुए आपके हाथ भी गंदे होंगे और साथ साथ में यू नो ठंडा भी हो जाएगा। तो दोनों चीजें अपने अपने टाइम पे एंजॉय करो। यू कैन क्लियरली सी हियर बीच में आई वाज गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय माय कोक एंड द फ्राइज, बट माय सिस्टर वाज वेरी पेशेंटली पेंटिंग। अगर आपका पेंट खत्म हो गया यू कैन डेफिनेटली आस्क देम टू रीफिल एंड दे विल गिव यू अ न्यू फ्रेश प्लेट ऑफ कलर्स। नाउ सिंस इट्स माय सिस्टर्स बर्थडे आई एम गोना लीव यू टू वॉच द रेस्ट ऑफ आवर पेंटिंग सेश ओवर सम ऑफ हर वेरी फेवरेट म्यूजिक।
Chippy chippy chappa chappa ruby ruby lava lava magic ruby 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 boom 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 boom. Chippy chippy chappa chappa ruby ruby lava lava magic ruby 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 boom. Chippy chippy chappa chappa ruby ruby lava lava magic ruby ruby ruby.
One eternity later.
We're finally done with our painting and this is what it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? Like I love the variation of colors on both our canvases. The art and the artist. अगर आप यहाँ पर जाओगे ना मैं आपको बिल्कुल रेकमेंड करूंगी कि आप अपनी पेंटिंग करते हुए एक टाइम लैप्स ज़रूर लेना, बिकॉज मेमोरीज के लिए इट्स सो अमेजिंग। ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको वो सोशल मीडिया पे डालना इफ़ यू डोंट वांट, बट डेफिनेटली टेक दैट। मुझे व्लॉग एडिट करते हुए बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट द आउटसाइड एरिया लुक्स लाइक। रात को दे हैव लाइक दीज फेरी लाइट्स एंड इट लुक्स रियली प्रिटी। चेकिंग इन आफ्टर 3.5 hours with our painting here. How was your experience?
I picked up the brushes and paints after a very long time and it took us at least 2 hours to make these.
Yeah. And you can see from Honey's painting, she's a really good artist. And but it was very, मतलब काफी therapeutic था. Hey guys, so it's finally the end of the day, and before I shut this vlog, I wanted to tell you how the whole experience was. Loved the painting sesh. Love the fries. Pasta could have really been better. Also, just one little thing. Pictures mein and videos mein na, the place, like the palette looks like very big and fancy. It's not like a big area. बाहर का जो sitting है वो बहुत छोटा है and अंदर का sitting is fine, but like we took a seat outside. It's not as aesthetic as it looks in the picture. But of course, you're going there for the experience, so that was nice. I mean, I would give it like a 7 on 10. So you can make your decision. By the way, the canvases costed us $250 each, and they give like you know this little plate of paint, जिसके अंदर वो primary colors देते हैं, and then you know they give like 2 brushes with it. The brushes are not the best. They could really have been better. What else? They also have pre-painted canvas options. So you know, in case you don't want to like draw something of your own, just go for the pre-painted one. We did not take that. हमने अपना ही Pinterest से picture निकाल के बनाया था. Overall, for an experience, it's really good. Things like this, like you know, like a pottery date or something, they're really good. मतलब आप सिर्फ एक नया जगह नहीं ट्राई कर रहे होते, आप कुछ नई चीज भी ट्राई कर रहे होते हो, and you're like just you know enjoying your company together in your zone, but like also doing your thing. That's kind of like therapy. So that was nice. This was my first time visiting the Dhanmil compound. इतने सारे डिजाइनर बुटीक्स एंड स्टोर्स हैं वहाँ पर. And yeah, overall, you can definitely give it a try. If you like this vlog, let me know in the comments. एक अच्छा सा comment छोड़ देना है, बहुत मज़ा आता है. You know, reading the comments after a video, and let me know if you would want me to try more new places. And I know you guys love to watch my food videos or my food shots. Food videos get a really nice response, so I will keep making these for you. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video super soon. Take care. I love you.